So remember, you don't have to continue running around like a headless chicken. And you never have to give up your dream because there is a solution to overwhelm. Here's how. First, plan and prioritize, just like Elena. Create a realistic weekly schedule, identifying crucial tasks and setting achievable goals. Make sure that in that calendar, the goals that you put there are achievable because over-ambition can be overwhelming too, right? So it has to be a realistic weekly schedule. Number two, we mentioned the Google Apps. So remember time management tools. So you use the apps, use the calendars and the digital to-do lists and stay organized. Don't just put them everywhere so that you can track your progress. So for this, again, let me repeat myself. I recommend Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google List. Number three, delegate and collaborate. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Delegate tasks to family, friends, or virtual assistants whenever it's possible. Build a support system around you, and that will make all the difference. There's no shame in outsourcing some of the tasks so that you can free up your time and your energy. Number four, set boundaries and learn to say no. Your time is very valuable. Don't hesitate to politely decline tasks that don't align with your priorities or even overwhelm your bandwidth. That is very, very precious. So take care of it. Number five, take breaks and prioritize self-care. Burnout is a productivity killer. Do you know that? Schedule regular breaks throughout the day. Practice mindfulness and nurture your well-being. And finally, number six, learn from coaches and mentors who have been there and done that. It does not have to be me. There are so many people who can teach you. Your journey actually will be easier and faster when you learn from people who have been there. Now, this is one of the most valuable lessons I learned the hard way. Time is more important than money. When time is lost, no amount of money can buy it back. But with money, I can buy time. How can I buy time? This is what I do. Today, I'm willing to pay hundreds of thousands of pesos for good coaches and mentors. The payment I give is for the time that I can save. What they learned the hard way in the last 10 to 30 years of their life, they would just download it to me in just a few hours. That's so valuable, right? Imagine you're spending a few hours to learn 30 years of wisdom. Where else can you get that if not from mentors who have been there and who have done that?